In a world that thrives on speed and instant gratification, the simple act of counting money can often feel like a lost art. This video aims to slow things down and explore the purpose and relevance of counting money as slowly as possible. In our fast-paced lives, we often rush through financial transactions, missing out on the deeper understanding and appreciation of our resources. By taking the time to count money slowly, we can cultivate a sense of mindfulness that enhances our relationship with finances. Can expect to learn not just the mechanics of counting money, but also the emotional and psychological benefits that come with this practice. We will delve into techniques that encourage a deliberate pace, allowing you to connect with each bill and coin, fostering a greater awareness of your financial situation. Moreover, we will discuss the importance of patience in financial matters. In a society that often equates speed with efficiency, taking the time to count money slowly can serve as a powerful reminder to be present and intentional with our resources. This practice can lead to better budgeting, informed spending, and ultimately, a healthier financial mindset. So, whether you're looking to improve your financial literacy or simply want to embrace a more mindful approach to money, this video will guide you through the art of slow counting and its profound impact on your financial well-being. Understanding the concept of slow counting. Counting money slowly is more than just a method. It's a mindful practice that encourages us to engage fully with our financial resources. At its core, slow counting means taking deliberate, measured steps to tally up your cash, allowing each bill and coin to be acknowledged and appreciated. This approach matters because it fosters a deeper connection to our finances, promoting awareness and intentionality in our spending habits. One of the significant psychological benefits of taking your time with financial tasks is the reduction of anxiety. In a world where financial stress is common, slow counting can serve as a calming ritual, helping to ground you in the present moment. By focusing on each denomination, you create a space for reflection, which can lead to more thoughtful decision-making. Moreover, slow counting enhances accuracy. When you rush through counting, mistakes are more likely to occur, leading to potential financial discrepancies. By taking your time, you can ensure that every dollar is accounted for, reducing the likelihood of errors that could impact your budget or savings. Finally, slow counting invites you to savor the process rather than rush through it. This shift in perspective allows you to appreciate the value of your hard-earned money, transforming a mundane task into a meaningful experience. Embracing slow counting can ultimately lead to a more fulfilling and mindful approach to managing your finances. The benefits of counting money slowly. Adopting a slow counting approach offers a multitude of advantages that can significantly enhance your financial well-being. One of the primary benefits is the improvement in focus and concentration. In our fast-paced lives, distractions are everywhere, making it challenging to stay present. By intentionally slowing down the process of counting money, you create a focused environment that allows you to concentrate fully on the task at hand. This heightened awareness can lead to a more accurate assessment of your finances. Additionally, slow counting fosters improved financial awareness and decision-making. When you take the time to engage with each bill and coin, you become more attuned to your financial situation. This practice encourages you to reflect on your spending habits, savings goals, and overall financial health. As a result, you are better equipped to make informed decisions that align with your financial objectives. Moreover, this mindful approach can significantly reduce stress and anxiety related to money. Financial concerns often weigh heavily on our minds, leading to feelings of overwhelm. By slowing down and counting money deliberately, you create a calming ritual that helps alleviate these pressures. This practice not only promotes a sense of control over your finances, but also encourages a healthier mindset towards money management. Ultimately, embracing the benefits of slow counting can lead to a more balanced, thoughtful, and less stressful relationship with your finances. Techniques for counting money slowly. Counting money slowly can be a rewarding experience, and there are several practical techniques you can use to embrace this mindful practice. One effective method is to break down bills into smaller groups. Instead of tackling a large stack all at once, separate the money into manageable piles, such as groups of 10 or 20. This not only makes the process less overwhelming, but also allows you to focus on each group individually, enhancing your overall awareness of the amounts you're handling. Another technique involves using tactile methods to engage your senses. Take a moment to feel the texture of the bills as you count them. Notice the differences in the paper, the crispness of new bills versus the softness of older ones, and the unique designs. This sensory engagement can deepen your connection to the money and make the counting process more enjoyable. Additionally, consider setting a timer to intentionally limit your counting speed. For example, give yourself 5 minutes to count a specific amount of money. This constraint encourages you to slow down and be deliberate with each bill or coin, fostering a more mindful approach. By consciously pacing yourself, you can transform counting from a mundane task into a thoughtful ritual that promotes financial awareness and reduces stress. Incorporating these techniques into your routine can help you appreciate the value of your money while cultivating a more intentional relationship with your finances. Real-life applications of slow counting. Slow counting can be incredibly beneficial in various real-life financial scenarios. One of the most impactful applications is during budgeting. When you take the time to count your income and expenses slowly, you gain a clearer understanding of your financial landscape. This deliberate approach allows you to identify areas where you can cut back or save more effectively, leading to better financial decisions. Another scenario where slow counting proves advantageous is in cash handling. Whether you're a cashier, a small business owner, or simply managing your personal finances, taking the time to count cash slowly can reduce errors and discrepancies. For instance, a small business owner who adopted slow counting found that by carefully tallying their daily sales, they were able to spot inconsistencies and improve their cash flow management. Additionally, slow counting plays a vital role in financial planning. Individuals who practice this method often report feeling more in control of their financial goals. By taking the time to assess their savings and investments slowly, they can make more informed decisions about their future. I encourage viewers to incorporate slow counting into their daily financial activities. Whether you're budgeting for the month, handling cash transactions, or planning for long-term goals, embracing this mindful practice can lead to greater financial awareness and confidence. By taking a step back and counting slowly, you can transform your relationship with money and pave the way for a more secure financial future. We discussed how taking the time to count money deliberately not only reduces the likelihood of mistakes, but also fosters a deeper connection to our finances. By engaging in slow counting, we can cultivate a sense of awareness that helps us make more informed financial decisions. We also introduced practical techniques for implementing slow counting, such as breaking down bills into smaller groups, using tactile methods to engage our senses, and setting a timer to intentionally limit our counting speed. These strategies can transform a mundane task into a meaningful ritual, allowing us to savor the process rather than rush through it. I encourage you to implement these slow counting techniques in your daily financial activities. Whether you're budgeting, handling cash, or planning for the future, embracing this mindful approach can lead to a more balanced and less stressful relationship with money. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more financial tips and insights. Like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from a more mindful approach to their finances. Together we can create a community that values financial awareness and intentionality. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.